So this is the UGREEN Revodok USB hub. I needed something that specifically had DisplayPort and also had a lot of power. I use this for DJing, so it runs my DJ controller, my USB drive, and my sound switch dongle, as well as external monitor. I have a Microsoft Surface, so this gives me all the extra ports I need. The fitting on them is really good, so USB-C, nice and tight. It's tiny little wiggle, but it's firm. You can feel it snap in there, and it's tight on both of these ports. It's firm. And then the two USB-A's. I got a USB-A here. It's also firm. It takes some force to put it in and out. And then, of course, it's got the PD pass-through, so it charges the laptop, and it also powers all of your ports externally, so you don't have to draw from the laptop. And then also the DisplayPort is a good firm connection. I've got a DisplayPort dongle here, and it snaps in. It's secure, good to go. Looking at the dimensions on this thing, it does come with the 12-inch cable, USB-C, and it is 13.5 millimeters tall, 34.4 millimeters wide, and 115.6 millimeters long. Works great. I haven't had any issues. No more brownouts. I used to have issues where my controller would lose connection because it wasn't getting enough power. Get a 100-watt power supply into here, and that takes care of that. Plenty of power to charge the laptop as well as power your other devices. So, perfect product. UGREEN is a company I trust. I buy a lot of their cables and a lot of their... Gosh, they make so much stuff, but I trust this brand, and you should too.